Hello everyone, my name is JIAXUAN. The paper's name is Predicting Customer True for Model Companies Based on Machine Learning, supervised by Dr. Mohammed Shaharid. The content have 4 parts. The first part is background. This is abstract. This study aims to construct a customer true production model using machine learning technologies to help telecom operators better understand customer behaviors and needs, identify patient true customer in a timely manner, and develop appropriate strategy to improve customer loyalty. The study expected to provide a reliable solution for telecom operators to help them cope with increasingly tough market competition and enhance their competitiveness and profitability. Background overview. Alongside the rapid development of the telecommunication industry, its economic scale has become increasingly significant. Maintaining the relationship between customer and the company is a prerequisite for gaining more economic benefits, will ensure normal business operation. In recent years, customer trust has increasingly garnered the attention of companies. The second part is research process. This is technology roadmap. The roadmap have 4 parts. The first part is background and significance. The second part is lecture review. The third part is machine learning. The final part is conclusion and in publication. The research process includes 3 parts. The first part is problem assessment. The problem of telecom's customer trust has become increasingly serious in recent years, and telecom service providers need to continually innovate and improve their products and service to attract and retain customers. The second part is research models. Predictive modeling of telecom customer trust using decided trees, key nearest neighborhoods, random forest, regression, support vector machine algorithm for true and other factors. The final part is objective. It is able to effectively identify patient true customers and provide early winner to the objectation so that appropriate strategy can be adopted to reduce the true rate. The third part is organization service foundation. This research uses 5 model algorithms. The first is K nearest neighborhoods. The K nearest neighborhoods algorithm is a sequenced learning classification algorithm that can address both classification and regression problems. The second model is random forest. Random forest is a decision tree algorithm based on integrated learning, which improves the accuracy and robustness of the model by using modified decision trees simulation. The third model is decision tree. A decision tree, as the name suggests, make decision in the form of a tree strict. It is a supervised learning algorithm based on if-then-else rulers and serves as a basis learner for many able learning models. The third model is logistic regression. A logistic regression algorithm is a machine learning algorithm for classification problems that maps input data to an output probability value that indicated the likelihood that the sample belongs to a category. The final model is sport vector machine. Sport vector machine is a machine learning algorithm for pattern regression. The core idea is to maximize the interval from data points to the decision boundary by categorizing an output hyperplane to classify the. The final part is summary. The performance of 5 different classifiers was evaluated by means of ROC curves and their corresponding AUC values. As shown in the figure, the random forest classifier performed by the best, followed by the logistic regression classifier and the decision tree classifier. and the ROC query of all three models were close to the upper left corner, indicating supervisor classification performance. The support vector classify performance the moderately well, while the k-nearest neighborhood classify performance the worst, with the query far from the upper left corner, indicating weak classification performance. The final part is similar. The performance of 5 different classifiers were elevated by means of ROC queries and their corresponding AUC values. As shown in the figure, the random forest classifier performs the best, followed by the logic regression classifier and the decision tree classifier, and the ROC covers of all three models were close to the upper left corner, indicating super classification performance. The super-weighted classifier prefers moderately well, while the k-nearest neighborhood classifier performs the worst, with the query far from the upper left corner, indicating weak classification performance. Through the research, we have three outlooks. The first outlook is due to the complex of the data in the telecom industry and the manufacturer affecting customer true. This paper only cited 16 common related attributes for research. In future, we maybe choose more attributes to research the telecom true. And the second outlook is the research shows that the classification performance of 5 models. In future, maybe we will choose more model to research this telecom true. And finally, outcome is the orography model used in this paper are relative few, under response state, and lack their own innovation and improvement. And finally, similar, this paper firstly introduction the background and significance of telecom customer true. Second, on basis of few understanding the research result of scholar at home and abroad on the problem of telecom customer true. The series basis of the telecom customer true production models used in this paper and the simple technology are introduced in detail. Finally, the customer true dataset on the website of Kango Computation is used to carry out the basis analysis and the classification and the production models are established by using the data mean technology. This research result can help companies to improve their production and find the customer need what production. That's all my presentation. Thank you.